Lake Worth High School, in association with Lockheed Martin Palm Beach, presents Ask an Engineer, where real students ask sincere questions and local engineers give practical answers.
Hi, my name is Jessica and I am a sophomore at Lake Worth High School. Maths often seems boring, tedious, and pointless to me. So why do I have to study math?
Hey Jessica, math is super important. Even if you end up just flipping burgers at McDonald's, you need to know how many burgers can fit on that griddle and how many times you got to flip them. And without math, you're never going to know that. Now, a lot of things in life are boring and tedious, but a lot of those things are super important. Another great example of how important math is let's say you have a car and you know that every 20 miles you have to fill up your tank of gas, but your gas fuel gauge breaks. How are you going to figure out how far you can drive until you have to fill up that tank of gas again? So you look at your odometer, you add 20 and say, when my odometer gets close to that number, I have to fill up on gas.
Hi Jessica. Math is definitely important and used in many different disciplines of engineering. We have basic math arithmetic is used across used across every discipline of engineering. An example is to calculate water flowing across an open drain. And several disciplines use algebra and geometry, especially when you're looking for one or more unknown variables to solve maybe a plane, a circle, or an angle type problem, which comes up very often. Differential equations are used for several unknowns to determine more complex calculations like torques or curves for a more accurate design. And trigonometry is also used in many disciplines to determine the height of irregular shapes, distances, angles. Naval engineers use spherical trigonometry in ship design. And here at Lockheed Martin, for underwater robotic manipulators, we also use trigonometry. Astronomers use trigonometry to locate stars and planets. Then there's statistical analysis. And statistical analysis, a lot of MEs use to determine when a design may fail or needs to be reinforced. Even blood splatter analysis use it to solve forensic crimes. And calculus, anytime you're solving a rate of change problem, you would use calculus. And NASA can determine at what point an object may hit a satellite and change the path of the satellite to avoid this collision. Even packaging engineers use calculus to optimize space in containers. So thank you for the question.